Advertising goals and objectives. Demystifying advertising goals and objectives, the roadmap to marketing success. In the dynamic realm of marketing, advertising stands as a powerful force, shaping consumer perceptions, influencing buying decisions, and propelling brands to the forefront of the competitive landscape. While captivating ads and creative campaigns undoubtedly play a crucial role, the true essence of effective advertising lies in establishing clear and well-defined goals and objectives. These serve as the compass that guides your marketing efforts, ensuring that every dollar spent and every message crafted is aligned with your ultimate business aspirations. Imagine you're an ambitious entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level. You've got a great product or service, a passionate team, and big dreams. But how do you make sure your message reaches the right people and converts them into loyal customers? That's where goals and objectives come in. Setting clear goals and objectives is like having a GPS for your advertising. It helps you stay focused, no more wandering aimlessly, hoping your ads will magically work. Goals and objectives ensure that every dollar you spend and every message you create is aligned with your ultimate business goals. Measure progress just like you wouldn't embark on a road trip without a map. You shouldn't launch an advertising campaign without a way to measure your success. Goals and objectives provide that roadmap, allowing you to see how close you are to achieving your targets and make adjustments along the way. Align your team. Advertising isn't a one-person show. It takes a village, from marketing whizzes to sales gurus. Goals and objectives ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page, working together towards a common goal. Optimize your resources. Budget is always tight, and you want to make sure every penny counts. Goals and objectives help you allocate your resources wisely, focusing on the advertising activities that are most likely to drive real results. So how do you set effective goals and objectives? Here are a few tips. Start with your business goals. What do you want to achieve overall as a company? Once you know that, you can start to identify the specific marketing goals that will help you get there. Be Smart. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your objectives should be clear, concrete, and realistic, with a defined deadline for achieving them. Get input from your team. Don't just lock yourself in a room and come up with goals and objectives on your own. Get feedback from your marketing team, sales team, and even your customers. They can provide valuable insights and help you refine your strategy. Review and adjust regularly. The world is constantly changing, and so should your marketing goals and objectives. Make sure to review them regularly and adjust them as needed to reflect your changing business priorities and market conditions. Remember, advertising isn't just about creating catchy slogans and eye-catching visuals. It's about understanding your audience, crafting compelling messages, and using strategic approaches to drive real results. And the foundation of effective advertising lies in setting clear and well-defined goals and objectives. So get out there, set your sights high, and let your advertising take you on an incredible journey towards marketing success.